Phonics. Unit 11. Sound 2. A-I. A. Key words. 關鍵字。字母 letter. 聲音 sound. 元音 vowel. 音節 syllable. 英文拼音 English phonics. This is a snail. He has a name. His name is Aidan. He is eating daisies. And it is raining. We can also see some hail. And here is our chant. Aidan the snail eats daisies in rain and hail. Aidan the snail eats daisies in rain and hail. Aidan the snail eats daisies in rain and hail. A is the sound of A-I. The letters A-I make the sound A. Here are some words with A-I when it makes the sound A. Nails, N-A-L-S, nails, and these are fingernails. Sail, S-A-L, sail. This is a sailing boat. These are the sails. Rail, R-A-L, rail. Rail is what a train moves on. Mail, M-A-L, mail. A letter is mail. And this is a mail box. Tail, T-A-L, tail. This cat is chasing its tail. Brain, B-R-A-N, brain. This is the brain. Blending sounds. CH makes the sound ch. AI makes the sound A. Let's blend these sounds together. Ch, A, chay. This is a syllable but not a word. But you can find chay in the bigger word chain. Ch-A-N, chain. And this is a chain. AI makes the sound A. TH makes the sound th. Let's blend these sounds together. A, th. Eighth. This is not a word in English, but you can find eighth in the word wraith. R-A-th, wraith. A wraith is a name for a ghost. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, and watch more videos on this channel. Bye bye!